Hi, we're going to talk a little bit about how to download Launch with Words, which is an importer plugin, and the JSON file, which are the prompts or premium content packs. And thanks for downloading the plugin. Are you ready? So once you're on the site with the download, right now starter content is available, you are going to add this to the cart. And don't worry, the instructions are also here and in the email receipt. So I'm going to add these to my cart and I am going to purchase them because, yeah, e-commerce, right? Blah, 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 check out. Thank you so much. Here's your purchase receipt. Here are the instructions again. And I'm going to have to download two things, the starter pack, which is the JSON file, and the importer plugin. So importer plugin is first, then the starter pack. So I will export this. Now, if you are not familiar with uploading plugins to your WordPress website, you're going to upload the zip file for the plugin, all right? And then let's also do the starter pack. Now the starter pack, it's fine that it unloads it, unzips it, because what we're going to upload or import or upload, essentially same thing, is the JSON file, JSON. And then this is a welcome letter that you get that I wrote for how to use the blog prompts that you're getting that you import. And the premium content packs don't really need this because they're getting pre-written blog posts. All right, so let's go back to our WordPress website. We're going to go to plugins on the side and add new. All right, we're going to upload our plugin. We're going to choose our file. Now remember, we want the zip file, Launch with Words. We're going to install it. This plugin allows you to import these JSON files. We're going to activate the plugin. All right, now the plugin is activated and it's going to appear under the Posts menu. Okay, because we're importing blog posts, so that's where it belongs. Launch with Words. This is, again, another place that you can see this video on how to use the prompts. And then what we're going to do right now is we're going to import this content pack. When you import the content pack, you're going to have a choice of who the author is. On this site, there's only one author, and which category you want it to go into. So these are fine for me, so I'm going to choose my file. Now remember, I want the file inside here, not the zip file, the one that ends with JSON. That's JSON. All right, now I'm going to import it. 12 posts have been created, so I go to all posts, and there they are. They're in order. They're in a weird order for some reason because that's the way they put it in there. So January is the one I want to write on. And then I'm going to edit that. And then I'm ready to do the next video, which is how to do this. So literally, when you go back to your WordPress dashboard, you have 12 draft posts. You have January through December. And all of these have the prompts you want. So actually, we don't need this plugin, Launch with Words, anymore. So it's a best practice to deactivate plugins and remove them if you are not using them. So most of the people who are using this are web developers, but if you are doing this on your own site, my recommendation is to deactivate the plugin and then delete it. So active installs isn't what I'm going for here. And then your website's totally fine. Like, there are no extra blog posts published. It's still the one I did in January. So that's it. Less than 5 minutes. You have 12 blog post prompts, so get to work. Thanks. Bye.